Wake up.
Baby, just stop. Don't.
Oh my god.
Don't be.
Chris, are you okay?
No.
Take this out of
No,
cereal.
no,
It's
so
just
he doesn't
terrible.
vomit.
No. He's
Chris,
not vomiting anymore.
are you okay?
No.
Why not?
I feel sick.
Why?
You have felt sick. You have thrown up. You've thrown up once, baby.
Well, I still feel sick.
Well, if you feel
You're
sick,
alright,
you know, I
Chris.
understand.
You are.
I
Stop
know.
being crazy.
I'm not being crazy.
Alright, he's not
I
being
think
crazy.
you are.
Oh,
Just a little bit.
You're alright, Chris. We'll do better tomorrow and shit, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. You doing alright,
I'm not
Chris?
laughing at